And now Rajpath has come alive to the lilting sound of music from Tripura. Tripura is known for her rich, eco-friendly tribal traditions in which bamboo plays an important part. The theme of the tableau, Eco-Friendly Atmanirbhar Tripura. Tripura is home to 19 tribes and bamboo features prominently in their lives. The dance that we see is Libang Bumani of the Tripuri people.